How to hide apps on Android app without app in settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open drawer of your phone and here swipe right. After you swipe right, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, you'll find all your apps. Select the app you want to hide and press on the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen. After you press on the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen, here your app will be hidden and you won't find the app anywhere in the drawer or in the main page. And in this way, you can hide apps on Android without app in settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.